trip down memory lane for Craig going through Lawrence. It was a cute little town, and he used to come here in his early years as a teenager for holidays with a few of his mates. we got home, looked out the window, and what did we see? The whales splashing around. Sorry, but probably not going to come up that great on the camera. G'day! Thought I'd do a quick wrap of our trip for those of you who might be interested. We were away for about 4 weeks. We did around about 7,000 plus kilometres, staying in all different types of accommodation, from pub rooms to motel rooms to apartments. All of it good. Occasional one was slightly dodgy, but in general, pretty good accommodation. Wasn't bad. Had a great time. Loved the bike. The bike went really well. We're so happy with the bike. Craig loved riding it. I really enjoyed sitting on the back. It was a very comfortable bike to be on. So really happy that we bought the BMW. It was a really good choice. So it's all over, sadly, but where to next? What next? What will we do? We are planning to head off again in June. This time we're going to go for a longer trip. Hopefully we will do about 3 weeks if we're lucky. 3 weeks, what am I saying? 3 months if we're lucky. We'll head up to Darwin, maybe across to the west, and see what happens from there. We're not sure yet, but that's the general idea at this stage. So thanks to those of you who did watch series 2 and persisted with my terrible camera work. I am improving. My editing is improving. Got a long way to go, but we're getting there. And don't forget to watch season 3. Bye for now.